today we're going to be doing another Japan crate.
Yay!
This one's for February.
Yep.
I modified the finger so I no longer need the blade on it.
By the way, the box was already opened. We didn't open it. It was open when we got it. We have not opened.
You will enjoy its taste, and it has a little fucking peanut. So you know what? If it's anything like a Reese's, I will enjoy. Mmm.
Let's see if I feel the same way.
That's good. Oh, what's that like?
Another candy that we got in here before, and we couldn't figure out what the hell it was like.
No, it's not like the Twix like it was last time.
No, that's not what I'm talking about either.
I have no idea. But that is good. I'm going to give that a 9.
I'll get a bit of 5, but I'm not a chocolate person. So. Just because it looks adorable. And it has those Betty Boop eyes.
My cat's being a dick. Come here.
Okay. This tastes like those barrel rings that you would get from those Mexican trucks. The little food carts that the Mexicans would stroll around, and you could put the lime juice and the lemon juice, and you can have chili sauce and hot sauce on it and stuff like that. It tastes like the chips. Okay.
Here's the brat himself. Ugh.
What would you rate it?
I give this a 5.
Yeah, I give it a 5 too.
Let me go straight for the big chips. They look like a strawberry cheesecake flavor. Oh, I can smell that artificial flavor. That's what you smell too. It's artificial flavor. It looks like the fucking shit that you'd feed your kid, like as
the finger foods.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah. So.
I'm guessing this is gum. Yep. It says right on there that it's gum.
And there's only one of them.
Yeah. I know you're not a fan of gum, so.
I mind gum. Oh, hey, perfect.
Oh, okay, so. What do you rate it?
I give it a 5.
I give it a 6.
Here's some mousse. Ooh. And they're individually wrapped. I'd give that a 6.
I'd give it a 7 since it has little assorted chocolates. Let's get the tedious task out the way.
We usually save that for last, but this we've actually done before. Recognize it? Get it these nice little yellow chunkets, little gummy things. Cover it in chocolate.
It's supposed to be like banana with chocolate
And
with sprinkles.
And that's good.
I'd give it a 7.
You feel more generous about it today?
Yeah.
Take out the stick. Because other than that, there's like chocolate and some beans. This is that Twix thing. But it's not.
No, that's worse than Twix. I'm not a Twix fan, by the way.
Give that a 6.
I'd give it a 4.
Sorry for the interruption. The cat decided to knock over the Pumpkin Pops. So these are M&Ms.
Yep.
That's it. They're M&Ms.
2.
2.
That's my rating.
We got a little crispy chocolate bar and a chocolate love heart for Valentine's Day, obviously. We'll at least try the chocolate bar because we don't know what kind of chocolate bar it is. It's supposed to be. I was being optimistic. Record it?
This tastes like a Whopper.
Yeah.
I like it.
Don't very much care for Whoppers, but
Surprisingly enough, I like Whoppers.
I give it a 5. None of
I give it a 6.
the chocolate heart is the chocolate heart. You're just giving that to me?
Yep.
5. It's pure chocolate. Alright. You know what my pick is.
This would be my pick.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Hope you enjoyed.